ice cream, bring that ice, boy. Walking on that side, yeah, they can't tell me why. Word, I don't even need no lies. Ayy, got my own little spy. Ayy, look me in my eyes. Yeah, all your dreams gon' die. Word, same old day with the same old flow, with the same.
Hey guys, this is Cameron here, aka Blunt Funds, and in this video I will be showing you guys my car and I will tell you guys what it's done to my car. Anyways, it is a 2007 Acura TL and it is the base model with the 3.2 liter V6. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what's done to the car. I have 15% carbon tint all the way around except for the windshield, but I have 5% sun strip on the windshield. And I have a somewhat custom exhaust, 18-inch rims, courtesy lights which are not shown in the video, but when you open the doors they project the Acura logo with the word Acura under it on the ground. I have the short ram intake and an aftermarket set of tail lights. But anyways, that's all that I have done to the car so far. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a like and also comment down below your favorite part of the car. But until next time, peace.
I do it with a turbo, I cruise in sports mode. I got it with my wrist, I just might make my fork go. The JD, I got rifles, I fuck with snipers. That hoe won't go first night, I heard.
Shit.